Welcome back, beauties, to my channel. And as you can tell, you're seeing my hands. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a different type of video, like I mentioned previously. We are going to be doing dip powder nails. So I found the dip powder nails one time. I went to a nail salon and I loved how they felt. It didn't damage my nail. So for Christmas I received this and I kept saying I was gonna do a video, but I was too lazy in reality to even do it. And then I let my nails completely grow out and remove the dip nails from the salon. So I thought, let's do this today. So if you want to see how this turns out, because I don't know how it will turn out either, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I truly appreciate it. And if you want to see how my nails come out, then please keep on watching. There are a few items that you need for this, but before we start, I want to say one thing. I am not a nail technician. I'm not a professional into this. I just wanted to try this at home. So take this with a caution. All right, so I am starting with the Lavender's Violet Dip Powder Starter Kit. I believe this is on Groupon. I don't know how much it is. I will look and I will put it either down below in the description box or I will put it on the screen here. So I'm gonna have this, and then I also have an electronic filer just because I feel it will make it easier to file my nails. I also have cuticle treatment, so just cuticle oil, because after all the filing and everything that's gonna be done, you need to replenish your nails. And then the last thing I have is a regular file from Walmart. It's the dollar file, and one is the softer side and one is a coarser side, and that is mostly for my edges. So this is how this looks. So the kit that I got has pinks and reds. Not a pink person, but I'm gonna give it a go. And it brings your four different steps technically, but it's 3. So you have your base coat, your base coat, your number 2, number 3, and then this is for brush savers to save your brushes. Then we have 4 different colors. I don't think they have a name, do it? Nope. So they don't have color names on it. Just making sure. So these are the first 2. One is a hot pink. This is like a purpley. I think I might use this one. And then the next 2 is a corally pink and another lavender one. I might do something with these. I don't know yet. We're going to open these up and see how they look. I don't think I'm gonna do this one because it's way too pink for me. Go with these 2. So they look kind of similar, but one's more reddish shiny and the other one's more purple. I think the camera's catching it on camera. All right, so you have to go in with step 1. So I'm gonna get as close as to my cuticle as possible, and I'm just rolling my finger. All right. And I am going in with the darker one. So I guess it says 90 degrees, and you just dip in and tap off the excess. And so that is how the nail looks. Not too bad. So I'm gonna do that for all of my nails except for my ring nail. So let's keep going. If you can tell, I put way too much on this corner of the nail, so try not to do that. Try to do as even as possible. So it says to do it 2 or 3 times depending on want. So I feel like I'm going to do it 3 times for more opacity. But we'll look and see. Alright. So this is how my nail looks right now. Doesn't look pretty, but let's keep going. Alright, beauties, this is one hand done. One focus. So this is one hand done. Don't mind my fingers looking like crap. Let me go get a brush to brush off the excess. Okay, so you also would want to get a little brush, even a kabuki brush, to sweep off any excess that you have. And it's fine if your fingers are a little stained right now, you can wash that off. But this is just sweeping off any extra powder the nails might have. So now that that's done, you go in with step 2, the activator. So what this is doing is like sealing it per se. So just put step 2 on, let it air dry, and then this is where you wanna file after you put this step 2. At this point, you just wanna really file for your best preference, just because I give tons of props to all the YouTubers that do nail videos, because this is hard. Trying to file your own nails in general on camera is not easy. For my first time and doing it myself, I am very proud. Alright, so once your activator is dry, you're going to come in with step 3, which is your top coat. So what you do with this, when you put one layer first, you let that dry. and then you will put another one and you let that one dry for 2 minutes. So with this one, you're supposed to put quick, thin strokes. So you don't want to glop it on like you would do with a regular top coat, because most top coats we are generous with it and just glop it on. Not with this one. Okay, so I'm literally accessing out a lot of the product, and then move that. So that's how it looks. Like, this is amazing. However, I don't feel like my ring finger and these other ones look any different. Just gonna say. All right, I'm gonna let that dry, and then I will do one more coat. All right, so I'm gonna put the second coat on the top coat, let that dry for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna do my second hand, since you can see it doesn't, and it's not, I'm going to be doing it with my non-dominant hand. So let's see how this comes out. But once I am done with that, I will be back and I will give you my thoughts. All right, beauties, so I have completed both of my hands. So as you can tell, it doesn't look bad. I mean, if you look up a little bit close, there's a little bit of nitpicking that you could do, but for far away, it looks awesome. I really liked this product. It's definitely what I was looking for. Definitely very simple and straightforward. It is a little bit of a time consuming because you need to go in with a file. You know, I would recommend an electronic file. I have the Kiss one. I will try and link it down below in the description box, but I definitely recommend having an electronic file just to get your corners, your cuticle area really good, just so you don't have such a harsh line there. I definitely like this brand. It was pretty simple, it went on nice, it wasn't too hard, it didn't clump up. You know, there was some technical error for myself that cost a little bit more work, but for a first time, I say thumbs up on this product. I definitely will be looking into investing in more of these and looking to see if there's any other dip powders that I want to try out. If you know any, please let me know down below in the comments. I would definitely try it out for you to see how it looks. It is so much fun. It's fun. It's for me, it's fun. Once again, I am not a nail technician. I am not a professional. I am just another person trying this out and giving you my opinions. All right, enough of this video because I feel so strange literally with my hands only, but I want to thank you so much for coming and watching another one of my videos. I truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and share this with anybody that you want to share it with. I truly do appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.